Olivia.
Perfecto, muy bien.
Rudy, move, Rudy. There she's off.
Excelente la posición de la bebé, muy excelente.
There she goes. Wow, you must go pretty fast to get up that hill.
Stop talking.
Muy bien, very
And she's gone. My baby's off the edge of the earth. Here goes the other baby.
Big baby.
The big baby.
big baby.
How
are you, man? Really, wow. Big boy, man.
No.
All right, Will. See you on the other side of the earth.
Okay, grab the cable. Second longest one, guys.
This is the second, 2,000 feet away. All right,
Second longest.
second longest.
2,000 feet.
How long was the first line?
That was like
1,500, he said.
1,500, yes.
Is this the longest one?
Second longest.
Second longest.
You can go ahead, buddy. Good position. Lie down, man.
Go all the way back, Will.
Okay, go. There he goes.
Apenas tiene 12.
There he goes.
Oh, and in this one,
Where are you from, amigos?
From North
you
Carolina.
really have to hold your position on this.
Yeah, to get up the hill.
Yes, I have seen the map, more or less.
Woo! Somebody came in.
University of North Carolina.
Uh-huh.
Did he make it?
Yes, he's still going, but doing perfecto.
Oh, what happened if you got stopped in the middle of this thing?
You gotta
All by yourself?
go backwards quickly.
Oh, I would throw up.
Okay.
You get a workout.
Sit down.
All right, Dad. Hello.
Hello.
Ciao.
Hello. Oh, there he goes. Go, Daddy.
Igual, papá.
What do I do? Same thing? No. Dylan, don't be scaring me like that.
All right, Mommy's turn. Here we go.